Alright, today in Guardian Answers, we're going to talk about why you need to put a double cylinder deadbolt next to your window. Okay, so before we get into why you should put a double cylinder deadbolt next to your window, let's talk about what a single cylinder deadbolt is and then what a double cylinder deadbolt is so that you understand what it is in the first place, and then we'll talk about why you shouldn't put it next to a window. So right now, up here I have a couple deadbolts on here. Up top I have a single cylinder, and right in the middle I have a double, and the bottom's a single as well. So in the front, they all look, they're different shapes, different colors and stuff, but they're all the same. Key on the outside to turn the bolt. But on the back, you have singles have a little thumb turn, like this, and doubles have double keyholes, right? So you can use a key on this side or on the other side. So that's what a single cylinder deadbolt is, and that's what a double cylinder deadbolt is. Now, as you can tell, say you had a window right here, right? Well, say you have this locked, and then you have your double cylinder deadbolt locked, the key's with you, so you took it home with you, and this is your door. I break the window, I reach in, and now I can get in your house and open your door, right? So I'm sure you already know the answer to this, why you should have a double cylinder next to your deadbolt, because bust the window, reach in, oh no, I can't do anything, right? So I'm trying to do something, but there's nothing here to flip like this. So that's why you should have a double cylinder deadbolt next to your window, because people can't just break in and flip it open and now have free reign to go in and out of your house as quick as they can and pick that big TV up and couches or whatever they want to take out the door. So a little background on it. The deadbolt has been around for about 100 years now, and in Texas we install these all the time for homeowners, that especially ones that have, maybe they have kids that they don't want running out the back door, or maybe they have they're concerned about crime, so we put double cylinder deadbolts on. Now in Texas it's legal, you can put them on for homeowners, but not in all states. So if you want to see if your state allows this or not, you're gonna have to go do some research online and see, type in your state and maybe I'm not sure, homeowner laws or deadbolt laws. You just have to do some research on it. But like I said, in Texas it's legal. Now there is something that happens a lot. The customer, not a lot, but occasionally you'll have customers and they'll say, hey, I just put in double cylinder deadbolts in their whole house, and they're like, hey, can you make me like 4 extra keys? Oh, sure, yeah, what do you need them for? Well, I was going to go ahead and stick them on the inside of each one of the locks and just leave them there. That way it's easy to get in and out. Well, then you might as well have a single cylinder deadbolt, because they can still break the window, reach in, and flip your key over if you're going to leave your key there all the time. And believe me, that actually happens quite a bit. So you don't want to do that. There is something called, I don't know what it's called actually, but it basically goes around a single cylinder deadbolt. So if you don't want to buy a double cylinder deadbolt, it's a little plate that mounts behind the inside of a single, like right here, and then it just flips over and basically kind of goes around the tab like that. So if someone tries to reach in, they can't turn it. So they have those, and then we have what's called a door guardian, which we put a video up here of how that works. And it's basically kind of spring loaded out to the side, flips over, that mounts on the inside frame part of the door. So the door was closing here, it mounts on this piece right here, and once the door closes it kind of flips over and locks into place. So like I said, we had a video up here to show you how that works. So there are alternatives to doing a double cylinder deadbolt, like I told you about those 2 different options there. So anyway, that's why you want to have a double cylinder deadbolt next to a window, is because you don't want someone to be able to break in, flip it open, and now I can move big items in and out of your house. You rather want them to have, say they break a window and can't get in, well now they got to try to cram whatever they want in and out of that little window or whatever it is that they broke. So that's why you need to have a double cylinder deadbolt next to your window. But make sure you check with your local state laws before you do that. Make sure you're not breaking law, or you're not held liable for something. So hopefully that answers your question. That's the purpose of this whole video. So thanks for joining us on another episode of Guardian Answers, and we appreciate the support as always. Thanks for tuning in. We're on all the social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as 2 other YouTube channels, our Guardian Approved channel and our Udropreneur channel. So if you get a chance, go ahead and check those channels out and give us a subscribe button. We appreciate the support as always. Thanks for tuning in.